Hi, this is Steve Lombardi, and this is your Legal Minute. Today, we're going to talk about choice of physician in an Iowa workers' compensation case. Under Iowa law, the insurance company that provides the workers' compensation coverage has an obligation to pay for the medical care. There is no coinsurance and no deductible to the injured worker. Because of this, the law gives the insurance company the right to choose the physician. You, as an injured employee, have an obligation to cooperate with the physician. Now, many of you are used to choosing your own doctor, such as a family doctor, somebody that you're comfortable with, and you're not always going to be comfortable with who the insurance company chooses. The insurance companies use the same doctors all the time. That doesn't necessarily mean they've got the best bedside manner, but it does mean that because they chose them and they're paying for them, you have an obligation to cooperate with them and to follow their recommended treatment. So long as that treatment is considered reasonable, you have an obligation to follow it. Now, many people will call up and say, well, I don't want to go to their doctor. I want to choose my own. Why can't I choose my own? And I'll tell you, you can't choose your own because the law doesn't allow you to choose your own. So when the people are not represented, a lot of times they will call the insurance adjuster, or they'll talk to the case manager, or they'll talk to the doctor's staff, or to the doctor themselves. If you talk to the doctor, my guess is the doctor's going to say, well, that's my diagnosis, so follow my recommended treatment. If you talk to the doctor's staff, they're going to say, if you want to get better, follow the doctor's recommended advice and treatment. If you talk to the case manager is probably going to say, well, I'll talk to the adjuster, but really my hands are tied. If you talk to the adjuster themselves, the adjuster is going to say, if you don't cooperate, we're going to terminate your benefits. And when you talk to your own attorney is probably going to say, well, I will talk to the adjuster, but if they say that's what they're going to do and that's what they want to happen, then you have an obligation to do it. Workers' compensation isn't a place where you're going to be happy all the time. That's just the way it is. But you do have an obligation under the law to follow what they say and to follow the prescribed treatment. If you refuse, the penalty is your weekly indemnity benefits terminate during the period of your unreasonable refusal. This is Steve Lombardi, and this is your Legal Minute. Good luck with your case, and if we can help you, please give us a call. The contact information follows this video.